So hello everyone and namaskar, welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika. Today in this video we'll be doing a teaser of Godrej Plots Vadodara, which is located near Ajwa Water Park, Vadodara, and developed by Godrej Properties. But in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities,
plot sizes,
booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before getting into the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer and give you the bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly with the developer. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. So let's start with the project overview of Godrej Plots Vadodara. Will be constructed on 47 acres of land parcel consisting of 600 plus plots.
So now coming to the location part, project is just located near अजवा वाटर पार्क वडोदरा. एंड अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करें ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट, तो आपको यहाँ से कनेक्टिविटी मिल जाती है दिल्ली मुंबई हाईवे विद इन 12 किलोमीटर, ऑल्सो बड़ौदा railway station within 23 kilometer and Baroda airport within 20 kilometer also.
So now moving forward to the amenities part, project has luxurious amenities like jogging track, open area, garden, swimming pool and many more. So now coming to the
Plot sizes,
Godrej Plots Vadodara has 1200 square feet to 2400 square feet.
plot sizes.
And now let's discuss about the booking process. Our project EOI windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain you the complete project along with the 3D model and will share you the pricing and EMI schedule also along with the location tour. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the EOI process also. So everyone, this was the teaser of project Godrej Plots Vadodara, which is located near Ajwa Lake, Vadodara and developed by Godrej Properties. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं, तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos, click on the given below link and like, share, subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com. तो चलिए अब हम मिलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.